Today, we are looking at something truly special. For a long time, we have been waiting for a real change in the smartphone world. We have seen foldable phones before, but this is different. This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. It is not just another phone, it is a piece of technology that feels like it came from the future. This device is very exclusive. It is crafted for a select few, and that makes it feel even more premium. In places like Dubai, only 500 units were released. We are lucky enough to have unit number 385. The box itself is quite large, which tells us that there is a lot to discover inside. When you open the box, you immediately feel the quality. Samsung has included a very high-quality case, a USB-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool. But there is a big surprise here. Unlike most modern flagships, this phone actually comes with a 45-watt charger inside the box. It shows that Samsung wants the users of this exclusive device to have everything they need from day one. When you hold the phone for the first time, you realize how much engineering has gone into it. It feels solid, yet it carries a sense of magic because of how it folds. Let's talk about the design. At first glance, when the phone is closed, it looks like a regular smartphone. It has a 6.5-inch cover display. This is great because you can use it like a normal phone for your daily tasks. It fits in your hand, although it is a bit thick at 12.9 mm. However, if we compare it to older models like the Fold 5, this trifold is actually slimmer. It weighs about 309 grams. While that is heavier than a standard phone, it feels well balanced. You don't feel like you are carrying a brick, you feel like you are carrying a powerful tool. The real transformation happens when you start unfolding it. This isn't just one fold, it's a double fold system. As you open it up, the screen just keeps growing. When fully unfolded, you are looking at a massive 10-inch display. This is essentially a full-sized tablet that you can fold and put in your pocket. The engineering of the hinges is incredible. Samsung has used what they call the Armor Flex Hinge. It moves smoothly and feels very durable. Even though the phone has 3 sections, it remains incredibly thin when unfolded. Some parts are only 3.9 to 4 mm thick. It feels like you are holding a thin sheet of glass that is alive with colors. Durability is always a concern with folding phones, but Samsung has addressed this well. They used Gorilla Ceramic 2 glass for protection. One of the best things about this design compared to other trifolds is that the most delicate part of the screen stays protected on the inside when the phone is closed. It isn't exposed to the outside world, which gives you peace of mind. On top of that, it even has an IP rating for water and dust resistance. This is a huge achievement for a device with so many moving parts. The frame is made of armor aluminum, and the back features materials like glass fiber and carbon fiber. This gives it a unique, professional look while keeping it as light as possible. The 10-inch screen is a game-changer for productivity. Think about how you use a phone today. Usually, you look at one app at a time. On this screen, you can run 3 apps side by side perfectly. You could have a video playing on one side, your emails open in the middle, and a map or notes app on the other side. Because the screen is so wide, the apps don't look squashed, they look like they are running on their own dedicated phones. This level of multitasking is something you just can't get on a standard foldable or a regular smartphone. Samsung has also optimized the software to make use of this space. It supports Samsung DeX internally. This means you don't even need an external monitor to get a desktop-like experience. The phone itself is the monitor. Whether you are reading a large document, editing a spreadsheet, or playing a high-end game, the experience is immersive. The crease on the screen is almost invisible when you are looking at it directly. You only notice it at certain angles. This makes watching movies or browsing the web a very clean and enjoyable experience. In this first look, it is clear that Samsung is trying to redefine what a mobile device can be. They have combined a phone and a tablet into one seamless package. It doesn't feel like a prototype or an experiment. It feels like a finished, polished product ready for the world. Even though it is expensive and hard to find, it represents the peak of what is possible in technology today. It is a bold step forward, and it sets a new standard for every other manufacturer in the industry.